Hello English learners, my name is Alice and welcome to a new video, and today I bring you a vocabulary quiz. What we're going to do today is we're going to listen to the words and guess their correct meaning. Let's start.
Lead. Lead.
And the correct answer is A. The lead singer of the band has a powerful voice.
Tear. Tear.
And the correct answer is B. Please don't tear the paper, it's important.
Bass. Bass.
And the correct answer is B. He caught a big bass while fishing.
Wind. Wind.
And the correct answer is A. The strong wind blew the leaves of the trees.
Bow. Bow.
And the correct answer is A. Her dress and bag are decorated with cream satin bows.
Record. Record.
And the correct answer is B. She wanted to record her voice for the song.
Row. Row.
And the correct answer is A. The row of books on the shelf looked organized.
Present. Present.
And the correct answer is B. He will present their words at the ceremony.
Desert. Desert.
And the correct answer is A. The desert is a hot and dry place. So how many have you got right? Write down your answers in the comment box. If you've got any doubts or questions, drop me a line. Bye bye for now.